This is my first time cleaning a Flow Hive super frame. I've heard a lot of bad stories online about people knocking the wires or brushing too hard, and these things come into 1,000 pieces. So I don't have any special cleaning equipment. I just used a bucket and some hot water. You can see some of the wax did come off while soaking it, but it wasn't really cleaning it at all. So I tried giving it a very light brush, and while it did knock the top of the wax off, it didn't really clean inside any of the cells. So I wouldn't recommend doing this. Definitely don't try brushing, not effective. I did try hitting it again with some hot water, so the second run through it actually knocked a lot of wax off, which you can see here, and it cleaned it quite a bit. I did it again, and the third time around this is what the bucket looked like. While this was working the best, it still wasn't great. I ended up using the hose because I've heard online that people use their pressure washer and that's worked, but also for some people the pressure washer has blown the frame into bits. So I'm just using the laundry sink hose because it is hot water, and because it's hot water and it's not as hard pressure, I wasn't too worried about it coming apart. This actually worked really well and it knocked the wax off, but it does make a big mess, so you need to be able to be in a space that can get water and wax everywhere. But this worked the best for me. Hope this helps.